Bad deer. Stupid deer. Well, as you can see, I hit another deer, and this cross member is bent. I was hoping I could just throw a new headlight in it and be fine, but I guess I'll try to straighten that back out too. Gotta give it the old eyeball test. Looks good. So for those of you unaware or just new to the channel, I do drive 4 hours a night, 7 days a week delivering newspapers. That's why I own a Prius. Oh, sorry. We eating out of baby cans around here. Alright. Now that the Prius is finished, we're actually going to take a road trip. Road trip. So I found me another MTD Trail Flite. Damn, this canned food is good. I found me another MTD Trail Flite, just like the one I just had powder coated, and we're actually about to hit the road, drive up 77 and grab this baby. Let me finish eating this. Let's just go. Alright guys, so we are going to dig this thing up, and we're almost at the Virginia-North Carolina line. I hope this thing has the whole torque converter kit on it. Alright, well, we just got back. We get the doom cycle out of the way here. Move the old light. Alright, just got back, and as you see it's raining. It was also raining in Virginia when I got there. And we didn't quite go to West Virginia. I only went to Virginia. It was about maybe 30 miles from West Virginia, right as soon as I got through all the mountains. Let's see what we got. Besides the door that hits the roof. Oh man. It's so beautiful. What? Shawam! I'm kind of speechless. Still has the original seat cover, the original tail light, the original headlight, the original engine. I'm pretty sure that's the original engine. We do have a serial number plate, model number, serial number, MTD Products Inc. This is number 0001121. One rider only. Pretty sure this bike's 100% original. It does have a broken frame right there. So I've never seen this. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me check. Can you see this? Are you in focus? Nope. Let's focus you in here. So inside this MTD original gas cap, it has a little filler gauge. Of course the plastic is broke there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Looks good inside the gas tank. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Shall we? Shall we? She's been on here a while from the oil. You can tell from the oil stain this engine has been on here for a while. I know some of you were waiting to see this side. See if it had the torque converter and everything on it. And she does! So let's go ahead and put this baby in the light for you. There we go. Alright, so we have a cover. I wonder what's under the cover. This bar on the left side here is bent. So I'm gonna get that bent back. I'll probably do it myself. But front and rear brakes. I don't know what that was. Kill switch? Probably kill switch. Well, I'm curious to see what's underneath the torque converter here. Let's pull this cover off. Looks like a newer-ish bolt on there. One in the front looks really old. That one looks even older. We'll keep these bolts together. We'll keep them together, how about that? Oh man, she's on there. I'm not sure if this exhaust is original. Probably not. I really seriously doubt that. There it is. $50. I asked the guy how much for one of these gas tanks the other day. He told me $100 just for this plastic gas tank, so what do you think? Think I got a good deal? In case you hadn't noticed, I really like my MTDs. And honestly, the reason I like them is because they're so big, I fit comfortably on them. I know it's called a mini bike, but I'm a pretty big dude, so this is probably like a regular mini bike to a smaller guy. I'm like 6'3", so what can I say? I like the MTDs. I got another one hanging on the wall. It's over here at Mini Bike Corners. Bam! That's right, mini bike corner over here. Yep, so there's Trail Flite number 3. It's a different body style. These two are the same. Well, that's about all I got today. Hope you guys enjoyed the $50 MTD Trail Flite find. You can't find these every day for 50 bucks, guys. You can't, trust me. You can't. I look. So, alright. See you next time. Y'all be safe.